Okay, I have my toilet installed. Now I'm gonna fill it with this shit here. What is that? Peat moss. Got that from Royal King. So that goes in here. And I got those cabinet doors mounted. Let's see. Yeah, got some storage space here. Toilet paper. This one I'm not going to open because it gets stuck. My waste management plan for a man cave. Per Coast Guard, you have to have those in the boats. And I got this additional little door here that wasn't there before, so I can access the last chain plates. Before that, you would have to take this whole frame out, which I hate to do, and I also fiberglass it back in. Makes it more sturdy. Alright, now I'm gonna fill this toilet to make it finally work. Okay, I guess I'm gonna dump the whole bag in here. That should be it. So, yeah, so the way how it works, there's this wheel here, spin it by hand, and that should literally mix your shit up with. Oh man, that's disgusting. But, of course, that's just that peat moss in here. I think that should be enough. Okay. So that's that. Those things are supposed to not smell at all because they got this seal ring here. And once the top part is on, it yeah, should seal it all up. We'll see. Okay, putting the oh shit, of course. Put the top part back on. Pretty easy. Couple of snaps here. There we go. And one here. Let's see. There we go. And that's it. Yeah, so this is it now. Composting toilet, Nature's Head. They're quite pricey. If you buy them new, they're almost like $1,200. I got it in good condition. Already tested out, previously enjoyed, or whatever you want to call it. Only paid $300 for it. So the only problem with those things, they're fairly large, much larger than the regular marine toilet. So you're gonna be higher up. So I'm gonna have to put some kind of a stepping stool there to even reach this thing. But I'm gonna just build some kind of a platform that I can actually put back up so I can actually reach the sink once it's in here. So, yeah, my light. Yeah, that's gonna be next. Gonna be some type of a sink mounted. Okay. Now I see the flies already moving in here. Getting ready for the all-you-can-eat buffet. Okay, that's a regular toilet seat. And the way it works, you open this flap here, let loose. Close it back up. Well, open this up just for demonstration. You spin that thing around here. I don't know if the camera shows it. Close it back up, and that's where the liquid goes. And that's gets caught in this container here that you have to dump out once it's full. As far as how often you have to change the the peat moss or whatever you're gonna put in there. I guess it all depends on how many people using it and how often you use it. It's gonna be just me on my boat, so it could last maybe, I don't know, 3 months or so. So in here there's a little fan built in, which is gonna run permanently, and then it's gonna be on this side. I haven't attached nothing yet, but that's gonna be an exhaust hose. I'm gonna have to most likely cut a hole in here and just vent it outside, because this is how they work. So the fan provides a constant air flow of fresh air into this thing, which is supposed to dry everything out and turn it into, well, dirt, compost, or however you want to call it. And those fans are extreme low power and they run like basically 24/7. Yeah, so one more step done on my boat. So next time I go out sailing, I don't have to use those nasty little stinking porta potties. As far as the rest, well, still a total mess here. Let me still walk through the boat again. Well, I did buy a bigger TV. This is a 43-inch TV / computer monitor. Actually, it's a computer monitor, made actually for has higher resolution. No, taking that back. It's a 4K resolution, but higher refresh rates for playing video games, which most likely I'm gonna do. Paint still, well, paint is dry, still smells a lot. I've got this air purifier, which is just basically what it does. It got a bunch of filters, and hopefully that takes some of the odor out. Most likely not. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much how far I got right now. One step at a time.